I'm going to show you how to draw Tweety Bird. We're going to start off with her eyes. And we're just going to put some lines right under them for her cheeks. Now we've got to draw in her pupils. And we're going to give her eyelashes. And we got to draw her little beak. And now we got to draw her head. And she's got a big old head, so we're going to start off at this eye, and we're going to go all the way around. And then we're going to draw her cheeks. Like that. And then we can just give her a couple little eyebrows. And then we're just going to give her some little sprigs of hair on top of her head. Now we're going to draw one of her shoulders and her arm like that. And then we're going to do her body. And we're going to make her have her arm behind her back. Or both her arms like that. And now we can draw her little legs. And we got to give her a little tail. And now we can do her big old feet. And there you go. Let's just color her in now. And there you have it. There's Tweety Bird. Thanks for watching.